Hello everyone, hope you're alright. Join me today on another window cleaning vlog. It's me and Matthew today. We're in the village where I live. I've got 16 cleans. There was 17, but we've had one skip. But all in all, I'm happy. And yeah, follow along, will we do it? Hopefully my back will hold out. Update for you. We've just come home for a late lunch, so 10 cleans done, 7 to go. I've had a customer flag me down while I was working, so we're basically bringing their clean forward. So we've got an extra clean to do today basically, but it's going to save us next week. It'll free up a bit of time there. So yeah, all good so far. The sun is not out bright sunshine, so it's a bit overcast, nice and cool, so I'll take that. Still workable though, innit? Anyway, better crack on. 5 to 5, that's me home now. Me and Matthew done for the day. 17 cleans done in our village. So a good day for us. Nice leisurely pace as well. It got quite overcast though towards the end. I'll tell you, those last 4 properties that we were cleaning, the sky turned black. And because I had a bit of a chat with a couple of them, I stood there and I was starting to get a bit cold. Showing me age, I think. But yeah, that's us all done. My back's holding up all right after taking a week off because my back was knackered. No idea what I did. So if it happens again, I'm going to try and get to the bottom of it, see if it's an old injury or something like that. And it's something I'm going to put up with as I get older. Something to be wary of, innit? Cost me a week's work. Maybe I have to start taking out these insurances and things like that, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for joining. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I'm doing that with my fingers, don't know why. Apart from YouTube will stick a video up for you to watch next. Thanks a lot. Stay safe.